Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Start with Grammar. So, I'm here again, your Heena Sharma ma'am, with more grammar concepts for you to learn. So, let's get started. So, yesterday in our previous class, we spoke about kinds of sentences in which two parts of the same concept have already been covered. So, what all has been done by now? We have done declarative sentences. Declarative sentences are the sentences that give you some information, which talk about facts, or they declare something. And they are also known as assertive sentences, right? This is what we have learned. Then we spoke about imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are those that talk about orders, requests, advices, suggestions. All those come under the category of imperative sentences. In our last class, we learnt about exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are emotion sentences, the sentences that show sudden feelings or emotions. I'm writing it over here, emotion sentences, so that you know how to remember. An exclamatory sentences always end with an exclamation mark. The last one that we did was interrogative, the simplest of all interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are those that ask you questions and they always end with a question mark. Now, today we are going to quickly discuss about optative sentences. Optative. Look at the spelling carefully. It's optative sentence. And this is that kind of sentence which is hardly touched or covered by schools. So, in case you are taught optative sentences at school, this is the best thing for you to do right now. Optative sentences, they express a wish, desire, blessing, or a curse. What is a curse? Curse is actually, these are the words which, when we utter, when we speak ill of somebody or we think about someone in a bad way, या किसी के लिए बुरा सोचना या कहना is what curse is. And these kind of sentences are very easy to identify because they often begin with either may, because you are wishing, you are making a wish or a desire, or let. Now, let me help you with some examples. Take a look at my screen. May you have a wonderful birthday. Now, this is an optative sentence because you are wishing somebody good. Now, do not get confused that, ma'am, this sentence is getting ended with an exclamation mark. Is it an exclamatory sentence? No, it can never be an exclamatory sentence because it is starting with may. The easiest way to keep this fact in mind. Also, when you speak this sentence, you can automatically understand that you are making a wish for somebody. So it can definitely not be a sudden feeling or emotion. Are you getting me? Similarly, we have another example. May your dreams come true. Again, you are making a wish for somebody. Let the sun shine on your path. Again, you are wishing someone good. May you experience the consequences of your actions and learn from them. Now, this is a curse. Yeah, we often say in Hindi, ja, tere saath ye ho. तुझे पता चलेगा when it happens with you, right? So certain words, when spoken in this way, in remorse, in despair, that is when curse comes in. Let there be peace in the world. Again, you are desiring something. May your journey be safe and pleasant. Wish. Blessing. Yeah. Let's hope for a better future. Hope. So, sentences that show hope are also considered as optative sentences. May your days be filled with joy and laughter. Blessing. Let us all work towards a healthier planet. Again, the same thing. Hope, wish, desire, or even blessing. May you have a prosperous and fulfilling life. Now, this is again a wish being made, a blessing being given. Yeah. So, these are the examples of optative sentences. All you have to keep in mind is that they begin with may or let. Just keep this in mind and you are done. So, children, your home task, as you know, I'm not going to leave you without giving a home task. So, your homework today is you have to frame any 5 sentences, um, optative sentences, all right, and put them in the comment section for me to check and guide you. So, thank you, everybody. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do that because you never know when you get benefited. Also, keep on sharing this because you may help somebody in need. So, thank you, everyone. Happy learning.